Hello everyone, we're gonna take some hair, tying them at the back, folding them once, then making a two ponytail with the remaining hair, and then folding them in the opposite direction and then converting them into a bun. Now we are going to add this clip onto our hair. Now you can see it is completed. Next, we're gonna make a pony at the back and then we're gonna add a clip underneath it. Then we're gonna start taking 3 hair strands from the remaining hair and then folding the sides at the opposite ones. Now we are going to take the remaining hair at the top and folding them out into this bun. Next, we're gonna take a braid and taking some more hair, adding a rubber band and then converting all of the hair into a round shaped bun. Now you can add any accessories as per your choice. We have added this beautiful marble clip which enhances its beauty and makes it look more pretty. Let's move ahead towards our next hairstyle. Here we have added this low ponytail and then folding this out once. After that we're going to add a rubber band at the end also and then folding it out into inwards direction and then adding this beautiful crystal flower clip, and now you can see your bun is ready. Next, we're going to take this ponytail and underneath it, we're going to add this clip, and then we are going to take the hair at the top, adding a rubber band and folding it out into a puffed bun. By using a clip, we're going to secure it, and now it's ready and looking good. Let's move ahead towards our next hairstyle. Here we've taken some hair at the back, adding a rubber band. Then underneath it, we're going to add a clip and then taking 3 hair strands, taking the side ones and then passing them to the opposite sides to the clip. And now taking the remaining hair from the top and simply folding it out into a bun and adding this black clip for securing it tightly. Next, we're going to take this ponytail and then we're going to twist it out and adding this grey clip at one side, and now we're going to take the remaining hair and fold it out simply by using some pins, and it is ready. Let's move ahead towards the next one. Here we have added this clip in our hair and then taking some hair strands from one side and then the other and adding it to our clip. And now you can see your hairstyle is ready and looking so beautiful. Thanks for watching.